Hello, guys. Um, so before we start with what we're doing for today, I want to go over a couple of things real quick. Now, on Friday, we did the district interim checkpoint, which was under district test. Notice those are gone now. Okay, if you did not do that Friday or over the weekend, you're kind of stuck with the makeup, the redo at this point. Um, that's part of why it's so critical that you attend class each day. I let everyone know that that was coming on Wednesday last week. It did happen on Friday. I left it open over the weekend so people could finish it. That is not going to be the situation with our map test, though. Okay, our map test is the 28th and 29th. And I'm going to open it to show you the directions that are on it because you can't really access anything from this unless you're in class. Okay, the access information will be shared in the meeting. That's the only place you're going to get it. Map changes the access information every day. So the only way to get in is going to be to attend class. You must take the test during our scheduled class time. Okay, we do have a couple of days available to complete it, but that doesn't mean that you get to take a whole week. Okay. Um, After you have the access info, then you'll go to this site because once you go to this site, it's going to lock you out of any other tabs. That's just how it's set up this year. Okay, we're going to talk more about goal setting a little bit later this week. You will fill out how you're going to improve your scores. And then once you complete your test, you'll go to that page and put your scores in. Okay. So please, please, please plan on being in class next Monday and Tuesday because that's when the map test is. Another reminder about where information is, those of you that are making it to the meeting, great. You're clicking on the meeting link, which is this teacher meeting link right here. If you are not in class on campus, please be sure you're completing this remote check-in. And then also a reminder that I do have the weekly information over here that you can just at a glance see what we're going to be doing for the week. This week we have a rock review. You have an opportunity to do a rocks test redo. This is going to be your reassessment. Okay. The map goal setting that I was just talking about. And then we're going to start Unit 3, which is Planet Earth. Okay, and if you want to look further ahead, you can always tab through down here. Okay. Back to home so we can talk about today. Our Keep on Rockin' review. There have been some people that have said that they're having trouble finding the assignments. Guys, I'm doing my best to put these dates on everything so that you see each week kind of clustered together. This is this week. I decided I would start putting the dates in front of the assignments as well. Okay, but if you're still having trouble with that, click on your calendar and you can actually see all assignments that have due dates on your calendar. All of our assignments, whatever day we start them on, is what I put for the due date, but then they're available beyond that. Okay, so I only see this class because I only have this one class for this test student. You're going to see all of your classes. They'll be color-coded, and you can change that if you want. If you click on the assignment, it's going to give you an overview of what it is. Okay, you'll actually be able to see all the content in here once it loads. Or you can click on the title at the very top, and it will open it full screen. Ta-da! Okay, so Keep on Rockin' review says go over these slides and then complete the questions below. This is a review of everything rocks. Okay. And then you have a Google form that's going to walk you through all that information to make sure you know it before you do the rocks test as your reassessment. Okay. That's it for today. Use that information. Please do that Google form until you get 100. There's no reason you shouldn't, because once you've gotten 100, hopefully that means that all that information is stuck in your head so that when we do the rocks test redo tomorrow, you can also get 100. And then Friday's test didn't matter how you did on it or if you took it or not. Hopefully you'll have 100 for it. See everybody in class one way or another. And I hope y'all's weekend was pretty great. Mine sure was.